In this video, I'll show you how to fix Valorant crashing on your PC. If Valorant keeps closing unexpectedly, freezing, or crashing during launch, these steps can help resolve the issue. First, locate the Valorant shortcut on your desktop, right-click it and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab, check Run this program as an administrator, then click Apply and OK. Next, make sure Valorant is allowed through Windows Firewall. Open the Windows search bar, type Windows Defender Firewall and open it. Click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, then select Change Settings. Click Allow another app, browse to your Valorant installation folder, and add Valorant exe. Ensure both private and public boxes are checked. Another common cause of crashes is outdated graphics drivers. Open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and install any available updates. If you've already updated your drivers and Valorant still crashes, try uninstalling and reinstalling the game. A fresh installation can replace corrupted files that may be causing the problem. That's how you can fix Valorant crashing on your PC. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.